Oh, wow! It's cleanup time!
Clean up, everyone. Everyone, let's go.
Let's clean together. Pick up all your toys from the floor below. Put them in the box.
Them on the shelf.
Clean up, don't be slow.
Working as a team makes our room glow. When we clean together, it's fun for everyone else. Yay, it's fun! Blocks in the basket. Books in a row. We did it together, just as we planned. We did it! Clean up, clap your hands. Now it's nice and neat.